My name is Vicki Fiddler, and I'm a dentist. I own the practice Fiddler on the Tooth, and so we see all sorts of patients. A lot of people have dental fears. It's so satisfying to work with somebody who has a real phobia of coming in and being able to get them through that. It makes us feel really good. I like BizX because I like the variety of businesses that you can use. I like the flexibility. BizX offers a lot of different varieties of advertising opportunities, and so we've been able to take advantage of some of those that maybe we wouldn't have been able to do if we had to use cash because we didn't have the cash flow available. But it also has allowed us to increase our advertising budget because we haven't had to spend cash on doing that, which in turn has actually helped us as a business to grow. Some of our patients are actually employees of BizX members, and the BizX members are using their BizX dollars to allow their employees to come in to have dental care done. And as an employer, I know that healthcare costs are very high and that sometimes offering dental insurance can be a bit cost prohibitive. BizX allows employers to give their employees that benefit, but in a different way. This is a win-win for everybody.